So yes, we did see recovery in the last hour of trade, similar to the last two trading sessions. But overall, we did end in the negative after two consecutive sessions of gains as well. Overall, if you go to see in the morning session, there was pressure and that was taking cues from the global markets. Overall, Sensex ended with cuts of almost 388 points. Whereas if you see in terms of Nifty 50, which was down around 0.5%, we ended below the 19,400 mark. Overall, Bank Nifty during the day did outperform the benchmark indices in trade, unlike what we've seen in the past. If you see in terms of sectors, it has been the PSU banking space, which has been one of the outperformers as well in terms of where markets go. Let's quickly look at the stocks that have contributed to the downtick in today's session. You are the likes of RIL, ITC, HDFC, L&T, as well as ICICI Bank. These were the key names that actually contributed to the downtick in today's session, and no major support did come in. Overall, if you see in terms of gainers and losers as well, you had names like Adani Ports, Titan, Adani Enterprises, Bajaj Auto, as well as the SBI that were the top gainers today. Whereas on the losing end, you had ITC, LTI Mindtree, Power Grid, Reliance Industries, as well as an L&T. Moving on, let's quickly look at the newsmakers of the day. GE Power India has withdrawn its insolvency application against BHEL, so that was in focus in today's session. Dilip Biltcon has bagged a 699 crore irrigation project, so there was some momentum there as well. Apart from that, Dabur India was under pressure in today's session. Bata surged over 6%, and this was the most in over 18 months. RCF has got an environmental clearance from MOEFC for the Mumbai plant, so there was focus on that one as well. JM Financials jumped almost over 11% in intraday trade today. All your shipping companies were up for a second consecutive session, so this is the likes of a Cochin Shipyard, GRSE, which actually hit record high on expectation of receiving large orders over 2 to 4 years. Adani Ports on the back of the block deal was in focus as well. Ramkrishna Forgings were a few of the other names. So clearly, a lot of movers and shakers in trade today, a lot of stock-specific action as we've been reiterating, but markets continue to be in that consolidation phase.